What is hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, and what does it mean for you and your baby? You've just had a baby. Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. You've just given birth, and through testing, the doctors have told you that your baby has brain damage. In fact, there's a medical term that they told you called hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. And you want to know, what does that really mean? Well, let me break it down for you. Hypoxia means a lack or decrease of oxygen. Ischemia means a decreased or diminished amount of blood flow. Encephalopathy has to do with the brain, and typically an injury that has occurred to the brain. Now, all three words together, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, means that there was a decreased blood flow and a decreased amount of oxygen that got to the baby's brain. And as a result of that, the baby now has some type of brain damage. When a baby has been diagnosed with brain damage at the time of birth, there are many things that can occur. One of which is that they can have delayed milestones. They may not reach certain milestones that children do as they get older and older. They may not be able to walk. They may not be able to crawl. They may not be able to verbalize and speak when they're supposed to. And now it may be delayed or may not occur for a long time. They may be confined to a wheelchair. They may have problems with their motor control. And now, as a result of that, you'll need to get the baby further care and treatment. There may be problems with a child's ability to learn. And now you'll have to get the child specific services, whether it's speech therapy, occupational therapy, or specific things related to his inability or her inability to learn. Now, why do I share this information with you? I share it with you because certain things may have occurred at the time of labor and delivery that have now got you worried. Maybe the baby was born with seizures. Maybe the baby was born blue and was not breathing, needed to be resuscitated. And now you're told later on that the baby has hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, a form of brain damage. And now you're wondering, what does this mean for me and the baby? Well, as always, if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.